गोंय विधानसभेच्या 11व्या अधिवेशनाचे पयले अधिवेशन मंगळारा जालें. मंगळारा जाल्ल्या अधिवेशन लोकसभा आनी राज्यसभेन मान्यताय दिल्ल्या अनुसूचित जाती जमातीच्या आरक्षण कायद्याक मान्यताय दिवपा खातीर खासा अधिवेशन आपयल्लें. नव्या वर्साचें पयलें अधिवेशन आशिल्ल्यान अधिवेशनाच्या सुरवेक गोंय राज्याचो राज्यपाल सत्यपाल मळिकाचें अभिभाशण जालें. गोंयकारांक म्हादय न्हंयचो विशय म्हत्वाचो आशिल्ल्यान काँग्रेस, मगो, गोंय फॉरवर्ड, अपक्ष आमदार खंवटेन एकठांय येवन गोंय विधानसभा अधिवेशनांत चर्चा करपा खातीर स्थगन प्रस्ताव हाडिल्लो. मात ताचेर चर्चा करपाक सभापती पाटणेकारान न्हयकार दिल्ल्यान सभाघरांत बोवाळ जालो. त्या बोवाळानच केंद्र सरकारान मान्यताय दिल्ल्या आरक्षण कायद्याक सरकार पक्षान मान्यताय दिवन मोकळे जाले आनी सभाघर फुडल्या अधिवेशना मेरेन तहकूब केला. पळयात विधानसभेन म्हादय न्हंयच्या विशयाचेर जाल्लें राजकारण.
Climate change for taking up so-called drinking water project, Kalsa Bandra project on river Madai, the members can raise the issue and discuss the same through various parliamentary devices such as calling attention, 0-hour private member resolutions and also legislative questions to the session and have sufficient opportunity to focus the attention of the House to the said subject matter during the discussion. Now the motion is on subject matter that is being dealt with by the Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, that is the central government ministry, as the matter pertains to an action taken by the central government, and as such, the notice should state exactly the responsibility or lack thereof the state government on the subject, which has not been brought out in the notice. A matter is urgent only if it is a very recent occurrence. A matter which has been continuing for quite some time cannot be raised through the adjournment motion. It does not relate to a matter of recent occurrence which has arisen suddenly, but is a continuing matter. A matter even of very recent occurrence is not urgent if an opportunity for discussion will arise in the ordinary course of business within a reasonable short time. Hence, I found that this is special session being called for the central government's amendments. The notice of the adjournment motion is not in order for the above cited reason. I therefore disallow the notice of adjournment motion.
Speaker sir.
Yes, the bill.
Speaker sir, I move to leave to introduce Bill number 1, 2020 of the Goods and Services Tax Amendment Bill 2020. Yes, sir.
Question is that the leave be granted to introduce the Goa Goods and Service Tax Amendment Bill 2020. Those in favor may say aye. Those in against may say no. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. The leave to introduce the bill has been granted. The Chief Minister may now introduce the bill. Introduce the bill.
Sir, I move to introduce the bill. I beg to introduce the bill for the Goods and Services Tax 2020.
The Chief Minister may move the motion for consideration of the bill. Consideration. Question is that the bill be taken into consideration. Those in favor may say ayes. Those against may say noes. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. The motion for consideration of the bill is adopted. Now we will take up the consideration of the bill clause by clause. The question is that the clause 2 to 21, clause 1, the electric formula and the non-title to stand part of the bill. Those in favor may say ayes. Those against may say noes. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. The clause 2 and 21, clause 1, the electric formula and non-title stand part of the bill. The Honorable Chief Minister may now move the motion for passing of the bill.
I beg to move the motion for the passing.
Question is that the bill be passed. Those in favor may say ayes. Those against may say noes. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. The Goa Goods and Service Tax Amendment Bill 2020 is passed. I am requesting the members, day after tomorrow, there is a Goa Legislative Forum Day. Everybody should attend for that function, as there is no business before the House. I now urge the House till Monday, the 3rd February 2020 at 11:30 a.m.